Maha Cartoon TV.
Bunty becomes bubbly. A boy named Bunty lived in some city who was extremely notorious and cranky. Besides, he was a misogynist. Bunty had a sister whose name was Bubbly. Bubbly was smart, hardworking, and naive girl. Bunty kept fighting with Bubbly. One day, Bunty goes to the kitchen in his house, and there a plate slips from his hand and it breaks. After which he said,
Oh God, what did I do? If mom gets to know about it, she would whoop me harshly.
On hearing the noise of a breaking glass, his mom asked what happened in the kitchen.
What have you guys done now? You're getting more mischievous with every passing day. Now you just wait. I'm gonna teach you a great lesson.
Listening his mom getting so mad, Bunty gets trembled, and so he cleans all the pieces of the plate and hides them in the vessel and heads up to the Bubbly's room. Bubbly was busy cleaning her room just when Bunty says,
Bubbly, mom has baked cake for you. It's kept in the vessel in the kitchen. Go eat it.
What? Really?
Yes, really.
You're not lying to me, right?
Go if you want to, or else I'll eat it.
Listening to this, Bubbly runs to the kitchen, and as she starts to look for the cake in the vessel, she rather finds broken pieces of the plate there. And seeing this, Bubbly gets really hyper, and as she disposes those broken pieces, Bunty comes there with mom and aggressively says,
Bubbly, what is this you've done? Just can't get any work done, right?
But Mom,
and before she could complete what was saying, Bunty intervenes.
Mom, she only broke this plate. I saw it with my own eyes.
Mom doesn't listen to anything that Bubbly tries to say in her defense. Rather, she lashes on Bubbly, and poor Bubbly goes back to her room with tears and talks to herself.
I wasn't even at fault. Because of that Bunty, I got the scolding from Mom. Why do I always end up getting the scoldings? I wish I had no brother.
And like this, the day comes to an end and it gets dark. And as it gets dark, the lights in Bunty's room get switched off. And so he says,
Oh, what has happened to the lights now? The lights had to get impaired today only. Idea, let's sleep in the Bubbly's room today. Let me talk to mom.
And thinking this, Bunty walks up to his mom and says,
Mom, listen mom, the lights in my room have gotten impaired. Now, where will I sleep?
Oh, so you do one thing that you go in Bubbly's room and sleep for now. I'll call the electrician tomorrow and get it fixed.
No, Mom, he won't sleep in my room because he troubles me a lot. I won't let him sleep.
Bubbly, it's just about a night. You can adjust a little.
No, I fight with him, right? Then why should I let him sleep in my room?
Mom, my back hurts and I'm drowsy. I'm gonna go sleep.
And saying this, Bunty leaves from there for Bubbly's room. And when Bubbly walked behind him, Bunty teases Bubbly.
Today, I'm gonna sleep peacefully.
This is my bed. If you want to sleep here, you have to sleep on the floor on a different mattress.
Go ahead, do whatever you want to. I will sleep here only. And if you try to say anything to mom, then you will have it from me. Mind you, it will be better for you if you sleep on the floor, okay?
Bunty goes to sleep, and listening to his warning, even Bubbly sleeps, without arguing further on the floor on a mattress solely, because she didn't want to disturb her mom so late at night. But thinking to herself, she said,
Oh God, how do I always end up getting bullied like this? and nobody says anything to Bunty. I so wish I had no brother.
Thinking this, even Bubbly falls asleep, and next day, when Bunty wakes up from sleep, he sees there is no one around him in the room, and he feels little strange and realizes that he got long tresses. He immediately walks up to the mirror and looks at himself and gets shocked.
Oh God, what is this? How did my tresses get so long? And what has happened to my voice? I just don't understand.
Looking himself in a completely different look, Bunty gets a little paranoid because now he has become a girl, and so he shouts loudly.
Bubbly, what have you done with me? I know you are behind all this. I'm not gonna spare you today.
Just when her mom enters the room and says,
What happened, Bubbly? Why are you shouting so much?
Listening to this, Bunty gets a little puzzled and asks,
What did you say? Bubbly? But I am Bunty, right? And Bubbly is my sister.
Sister, what are you talking about? And who is Bunty?
Oh God, Mom, look at me. I am Bunty and I have become a girl.
What has happened to you kids? I guess you're still drowsy. Go and wash your face. And come on, get ready for school. Do you get it?
Paranoid Bunty was getting ready for school, but he wasn't able to find his school uniform. And so he calls out to his mom.
Mom, I am unable to find my school uniform. Can you please help me?
Oh God, Bubbly, it's right here. Look.
But this is a girl's uniform. How can I wear it? Tell me.
Oh God, what are you saying, Bubbly? You're a girl only.
Listening to this talk of his mom, Bunty gets puzzled, and when he goes and sees his reflection in the mirror, he got scared and his heart skips a beat. Seeing himself as a girl, Bunty gets paranoid and says,
Oh God, why am I looking like Bubbly? And where is this girl? What is happening with me? I just can't contemplate anything right now.
Just when he hears his mom say,
Bubbly, get ready for the school and come here fast. If you get late today for the school, then you see what I'll do to you.
Listening to his mom get so hyper, Bunty comes out and sees that mom has prepared breakfast for him. But seeing the breakfast, Bunty says,
Eee, eggplant. Mom, you know that I don't eat eggplant, don't you? And you're still forcing me to eat it. I don't want to eat such disgusting thing.
You're gonna get a tight slap. Firstly, stop talking like boys do. Do you get it? You've started to throw a lot of tantrum these days. You better be grateful for the food you're getting.
Getting so much of scolding from mom, Bunty starts crying, but holding himself, and he says,
Mom used to bash Bubbly like this. And Mom has never offered eggplant to eat before. She's always fed me with the runs. What is happening with me?
Bunty could not contemplate even a thing, and so he gets ready and leaves for school. And as he reaches school and heads toward his friends, they all tease him and makes him feel bad. Everyone says, "You go and hang out with girls. You don't have to stay around us." And after spending an entire day with girls, Bunty returns to his home.
Mom, please give me food. I am starving.
It's in the kitchen. Go get it. Is this how you're gonna ask for food in your in-laws' house? You should know how to serve your own food.
Bunty somehow manages to serve his food and eats it. And after that, he goes back to his room. And seeing stuffed toys in his room, Bunty gets agitated.
What is all this in my room? Now do I have to play with these dolls?
What is wrong with you? If not these dolls and stuffed toys, then what would you play with? Video games? You're not a boy, Bubbly. You're a girl. Now play with them.
Is there a rule that girls can't play with video games? If I want to play with video games, I will play with video games.
Girls don't play with the toys meant for boys. And so, don't argue with me now. And play with whatever you've got. It's not good for girls to be adamant.
Bunty quietly heads back to his room and thinks to himself,
I have been so mean to Bubbly all this time, and I have also been so troublesome for her. When I used to get bored, I would get her a scolding or bashing from mom. I have done so bad to her, and probably that's why all of this is happening with me too.
Bunty was thinking this only, just when his mom calls him and says,
Bubbly, baby, come here. I need your help in the kitchen. Come and do the dishes. I'm chopping the veggies. Come fast.
Bunty enters the kitchen to do the dishes, but by mistake, a plate slips from his hand and it breaks, saying which he gets really paranoid. And just then, he hears his mom shout,
Oh God, what have you done, girl? You can't do one thing responsibly.
Saying all of this, mom enters the kitchen and the broken plate, she gets hyper. She immediately picks up the broom besides her and runs after Bunty. Just when Bunty screams in fear.
No, Mom! No! Please! Please!
Now what has happened to you? Why are you shouting so much?
Bubbly's right here. Then when did I become Bubbly? I am still Bunty only. Oh, yeah, I came here yesterday night to sleep, and whatever happened with me was a dream.
Bunty finally realizes that whatever was happening with him till now was just a dream. And after he realizes this, he feels pretty guilty of his deeds because he never respected her sister. Rather, he had always created new troubles for her, after which he heads up to his mom and says,
Mom, the plate that was broken in the kitchen was broken by me. Bubbly isn't at fault. I framed her into this.
It's okay, my child. Things like these keeps happening.
No, Mom. The way Bubbly got bashing from you, I deserve it, not this. Why should she always adjust? I should do it too. Why should she only do the household work? And from today onwards, I do everything that Bubbly does. Bubbly, I really want to apologize from everything that I have done till yet with you. I could never be a good brother to you. But from today onwards, I'll try to be a good brother for you.
It's okay. You have realized that is enough for me. I hope everyone gets a brother like you.
and like this, Bunty realizes his mistakes and doesn't trouble Bubbly anymore. And since that day onwards, both these siblings starts to stay happy together.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.